It is a continuation of last formula derivation. So the next formula we will derive to. All are coming from I told you the basic formulas. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So if I add this two, then what is it coming? By adding we are getting sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So this gets cancelled and is becoming 2 sin A cos B. So to find 2 sin A cos B, we can have to write sin A plus B and sin A minus B. Okay. So this is a form we got just now. Now we are added. Now if I subtract, I am writing over here equation 1. This is equation 2. Now if I do 1 minus 2, then what I am getting? See what it will get. Sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. So I think you can understand which will cancel. Sin A cos B will cancel, and since I change the sign, what will become? This will plus and this is minus. So this will get cancelled, right? So what I'll get the answer? 2 cos A sin B. So this is also a form. This is a very important form. Next we'll go across from cos. Now tell me, cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So if I add this, make this 2, let me make the number. This is 1 and this is 2. So if I add it, what will become? Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B will give you 2 cos A cos B. So this formula will come across. If I subtract this, two equations, what I am getting? If I subtract, I am getting cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. Subtract, we will get minus 2 sin A sin B. So this is also a form which you can learn it. This is a formula. Now, so what we got actually? We got 2 sin A cos B is equal to sin A plus B and sin A minus B. So if I take, suppose in A plus B place, if I take C and that one is D, means I want to say if I take sin C plus sin D, means in the place of A plus B, if I am taking C and this is D, so what is A over here? How will I change into terms of C and D? Say it if you can understand. If I add this two, A plus B plus A minus B, and divide by 2, what we are getting? C we are getting. That means we are adding C and D dividing by 2. Okay, so let's check. So it will be 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. So if I subtract, I'll get the D part. Similarly, sin C minus sin D will be 2 cos C plus D by 2 and sin c minus d by 2. Similarly, if it is cos c plus cos d, we'll get 2 cos c plus d by 2 and cos c minus d by 2. If it is cos c minus cos d, then we are getting minus 2 sine c plus d by 2 and sine c minus d by 2. So these are the forms which are coming from the last datas. Okay, let's come to the next part. Now tell me, if I tell you sine a plus b, again I am writing it is sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. And if I write sine a plus a, then what will come? Sine a cos a plus cos a sine a. So ultimately this is 2 sine a cos a. This is sine 2a. So we get a formula and it is actually the multiple form. Multiple why? See, try to understand this portion. This portion is 2a and this is a. So the multiple of a is 2a. So this is how the word has come. So we'll see all the multiple forms. Now see, cos a plus b is how much? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. If I write cos a plus a, then what will be the formula? Cos a sin a sin a. So it will be cos square a minus sin square a. This is cos 2a. So we got another form, that is cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. So now if I change this cos square a into 1 minus sin square a, and this is remaining as sin square a, then it becomes 1 minus 2 sin square a. This is cos 2a. So this also a small form we are getting. We can also transfer like this, or we can write or 1 minus cos 2a is equal to 2 sin square a. This is much more better and we can learn like this. Okay. So in the place of sine, if I would have written cos, like here I have changed the cos, so now I'm going to change sine. See how? Cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. So over here I have changed cos to sine. I'll change over here sine to cos. Minus 1 minus cos square a. So it is coming cos square a minus 1 plus cos square a. That means 2 cos square a minus 1. So we can say this is also a form. So will be needed. We can also write 1 plus cos 2a equal to 2 cos square a. So this is also a form which is better one. Let's come to the tan formula. So tan a plus b, we know what is it? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. So tan a plus a will be how much? Tan a plus tan a by 1 minus tan a tan a. So what is it coming? 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. So this is tan 2a. Okay. This was. Okay, now let me talk about sin 2a means what? 2 sin a cos a Okay, so we can write like this by 1. Okay, if you write 1, we can also write 2 sine A cos A by cos square A plus sine square A. Dividing numerator and denominator, dividing numerator and denominator by cos square A. What we are getting? Say 2 sine A cos A by cos square A and cos square A plus sine square A by cos square A. So let's see what is it coming. One of the cos goes off, becomes 2 tan A, and here cos square by cos square plus sine square by cos square. So what we are getting? 2 tan A by, this is cancel 1, plus tan square A. So what we got? We got sine 2A is also equal to 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Okay. Okay. Next is cos 2A. Cos square A minus sine square A. I'll write 1 over here. It means cos square A minus sine square A by cos square A plus sine square A. So divide all the terms by cos square A. We will get 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. So we got all these forms of cos 2A also. So I'm making it a box. Is also important. Now we'll go to sine 3A. So it's very easy formula. I will give you the hint. Try to prove this all. 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A. So hint is what? I'm giving the hint. Sine 3A can be written as sine 2A plus A. Okay, now use formula sin A plus B. You know the formula sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, and sin 2A formula 2 sin A cos A, and try to solve it. Next one is, this is the, I'm making a box, it's a formula, and cos 3A means 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. So this is also a formula. Try to derive this one by the help of, what is the hint? Let me tell you. Cos 3A can be written as cos 2A plus A. So again we can use cos A plus B formula, that is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, and again we can also use cos 2A formula. So cos 2A will come, right? Cos 2A you can use as anything you like, because it is in a cos, so you can use 2 cos square A minus 1. It will be better. So think and do. Okay, bye bye.